All right, so let's talk about the OLSP Team Builders high ticket system, right? You see, a lot of people keep asking me, why am I so excited about this system? Because I've been making a lot of posts, telling a lot of people about the system, because this is the best system for any brand new beginner to start earning high ticket commissions. And if you know something, you will know that without you earning high ticket commissions, you are going to struggle online, right? I'm sure everybody knows that. So if you have been trying to make money online, but you are not earning high ticket commissions, it's going to be a big struggle. And that's why a lot of people are struggling out there. It's just the reason. Now, the OLSP Team Builders high ticket system solves that problem because it is a complete done for you system. And I'm not kidding you when I say it's a complete done for you, because the only job you do when you join the Team Builders is that you just share your link. That's all you do, right? You only share your link, whether on your Facebook or YouTube or TikTok, wherever you love to go online, go there and share your link. And every other thing is done for you. That's why I love this high ticket system, and that's why I love promoting it. And the fact that you could earn money from different products in the system is amazing. Now let's go like this. Now, what is this OLSP Team Builders high ticket system? Now, this is a training program. That's what it is initially, right? Is a coaching program where you are taught how to actually start a high ticket business, how to promote high ticket business, how to get website traffic to your link, get customers, and start earning high ticket commission. So the first thing is the training, right? So you want to get the knowledge, and look, Team Builder teaches you everything. That's where I learned a lot, and that's why you see me sparking it out and earning these high ticket commissions. Now, what is enclosed in that system? Why is it why does it make a lot of money, right? Now, one is a training course, right? Then secondly, softwares. There are lots of softwares in the system, from website builder, funnel builder, autoresponder. I think you get everything that you need from the system. They have apps, marketing system, multiple products. So this is the biggest way of earning high ticket commissions, because you have so many opportunities, right? And like I said before, the Team Builder system is completely done for you. So the only thing you do, which is what I love a lot about it, is that you just share your link. You go out on the internet, share your link, and once you share your link and you get leads, now that is all. The system takes over, right? The system follows up with your lead. So it does all the email marketing on your behalf, right? So you don't have to do the email marketing. It automatically does all the email marketing on your behalf by following up with your leads, okay? It organizes webinars for your lead. One, it invites them to webinars without you even knowing anything. And then take them through webinar training, take them through other trainings. Then the beautiful thing is this: you don't do any selling, because they have a phone call team. Do you imagine that? They have this phone call team that calls your leads and closes high ticket sales for you. It's just mind-blowing the way this system works. Now, that is not all, right? Now, when you join the Team Builders, You don't need any product of your own. Like I told you, they have a lot of product and you will earn commissions from all of them. So you don't need any product of your own. You don't need to have any technical skill at all. They are going to set up your autoresponder. They will set up your funnels, set up your website. They will set everything up for you. So you don't have to set up anything, right? So which is, that's why I say this is perfect for a brand new beginner, because they set up everything and just give you your link. And then you just go share your website link. It's just simple, right? So look, and remember, there is no recruiting. You can see I'm not recruiting anybody. I just talk about the team builders and I walk away. And people go in and join. And then I make high ticket commissions. It's mind blowing because the system does everything for you. So there's no recruiting, no selling, no calling anybody. Just share your link and look, all the content. That is amazing. All the content you need to share your link on social media is in the system. They give you reels, they give you images, oh my God, they give you everything. It's in the system. Now let's talk about the money, right? Now this is the most powerful thing ever. Now as a team builder, you will earn 200% commissions in front-end mega link sale. Now, if you know OLXP, right, you know that most people are promoting the mega link, and the mega link pays you 100% commissions. Now, when you become a team builder like me, you will earn 200% commissions in front-end sales. That is amazing. That means you make more money, but that is not all. Now, as a team builder, you will earn 200% second tier commissions in front end mega link sales. Now, do you know what that means? Second tier commission means that every time that your team member that you bring into the system, whenever they are building their business and they make sales, you will earn 200% front-end mega link commissions. Imagine that. Somebody else is promoting his business, making sales, but you are earning commissions without lifting a finger. That's passive income, but that's not all the passive income. Now, as a team builder, you will earn unlimited second-tier commissions on all products in the system. So whenever your team member either buy a product or sell a product, whatever they buy or sell, you make commission. Imagine that. Whatsoever that your team member buy or sell. This is too much. So if he buys, you make money. If he sells to somebody else, you make money. It's just too much. I've never seen any high ticket program like this, but that is not all. As a team builder, you will earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500 to $2,600 per sale. Now you see the powerful thing. So you can see, so with this system, you'll be able to earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, $2,000 per sale, or more. It's powerful, and you get all this when you become a team builder. All right, guys. So I hope this explains it all. If you have any question about the team build, OLSP team builders high ticket system, you can just privately DM me and we can talk about it. Now, if you are ready to become a team builder, just go to the link, go to my link description above, click that link. Come on, do that. Your life will not remain the same, right? Click that link, become a team builder today, all right? It's amazing. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.